A health care bill that affects insurance coverage for more than 150,000 people in Wisconsin cleared its first hurdle today. The Assembly approved the proposal that Governor Walker introduced last month. That bill would allow 72,000 Badger Care recipients who are above the poverty level to stay in the program for an extra 3 months. The deadline was January 1st, but this group would be allowed to stay on until April. Now, this would allow time for problems with the federal insurance online exchange to be worked out. To pay for this plan, Governor Walker also wants to delay a start for Badger Care coverage for 83,000 childless adults. They were scheduled to start being covered January, but would be pushed back until April. Now, Fox 11's Andrew LaCombe was in Madison for today's vote. He joins us now from our Valley newsroom. And Andrew, how is this plan sitting with the lawmakers?
Well, Michelle, as expected, things went back and forth between Republicans who control the Assembly and Democrats. Democrats voiced their opposition and offered a different solution. Tonight, we bring you balanced coverage. The Wisconsin Assembly passed legislation Wednesday that keeps more than 72,000 people on Wisconsin's Medicaid coverage, known as Badger Care, until April.
I would call that compassion. I would call that helping the federal government, who broke their promises, keep their word.
Let's be clear, we are here today because of the governor's inaction on accepting Medicaid dollars.
During debate on the Assembly floor, Democrats called on Governor Walker to take money from the federal government that they've made available for Medicaid. Earlier this year, the governor rejected money from the Obama administration that would allow Wisconsin to expand health insurance for low-income citizens.
This is about taxpayers' money, because you can make the taxpayers of Wisconsin far better off if you take the federal health care money.
Republicans say they don't want to rely on federal money because they don't trust it will be available. They say President Obama has already made mistakes in the rollout of the Affordable Care Act, like promising that no one will lose their insurance coverage.
At the very best, he misled the American public. At the very worst, he bold-faced lied.
To pay for the extension, 83,000 childless adults below poverty won't get Medicaid until April. Democrats say now the Republicans are breaking a promise.
Promises made, promises kept, Mr. Speaker. You made a promise, the governor made a promise, and you are looking to break it today.
After 3 hours of debate, all Assembly Republicans, along with 5 Democrats, voted for the bill. Wisconsin's high-risk insurance pool is also scheduled to disappear at the beginning of the year, leaving about 20,000 more people without coverage. The bill would also allow those people to retain their coverage through April. The measure now heads to the Senate. Live in the Valley newsroom, Andrew LaCombe, Fox 11 News.